what one actually means sensorially. So all of this work that we have for first years, they will take one spindle and that's one. So they'll feel then they take two spindles and that's two. So in the beginning, they're doing this, they're associating number with quantity. And then the second years can go more advanced than that. And they do sequential counting, teens, tens. This is a teen work. And they do small operations, like just single digit operations. We have this with the die. You roll the die and you see the numbers 4 and 3 and you just add single digit numbers. But when they start with doing small levels of like 100 board with an older friend, they'll sit down and do it with a third year student. So they have the experience, and then when they're in their third year, they're able to do the 100 board. This is our skip counting. So the short chain is squares of numbers. So they'll count 5 to 25, and this folds up into a square. Square of 5 is a square. Cube of 5 is a cube. Everything is symbolic. And if you look here, connect to the pink tower in sensorial. Each pink tower matches each one of the cubes. So it's like a mosaic that comes together in their third year when they've had experience with everything. So, and they also have operations that they're able to do. Remember, first they were just doing single digit. Now they're doing 4 digit. They have learned the decimal system. We have a big work of the whole decimal system, unit, 10, hundreds and thousands. I'm sure you've heard of the bird's eye view.
They bring home their paperwork and it has the thousands and then the hundreds. He's written it out, so it's...
Yeah, Alex has done it a few times.
Big work.
They understand the whole decimal system. And now in their third year, they're able to do, this is one friend who was working on it this morning. They're putting out the numbers and they take a quantity out, 2,000, so this is 1,000. They take out 2,000 of these and 7 of the hundreds, 3 of the tens and 4 of the units, and then they take out the second number, same quantities for that, and they're actually putting it together for adding it. They're adding the thousands of each number, hundreds, tens, units. They're actually feeling what that happened, how that happens. And then they found their answer. They count everything and that's their answer. Now this is very concrete. They're feeling everything. But as they develop mentally now, they're able to understand as they grow through this year, more abstract concepts. So this is concrete. It will sequentially get more and more abstract. So if you look there, this now, so that was all the objects with it. Next to it, there are still the numbers and the strips that you can count on. But here, it's just on paper. Same thing you see, if you take a closer look at it later. This is the same thing, same color codes that are on that for each part of the decimal system. But now it's just dots. And they're actually just adding the dots. But they're doing 4 digits. So by the end of the third year, they're able to do that. And then we have the multiplication board. This also goes, so every operation, whatever they're ready for, everyone is different in their potential and their interest. So if whatever they're doing, every part of the curriculum goes from more concrete to more and more abstract. And when they go to public school or traditional school, what they need is abstract. So then they're able to do it in a book. or they record it on paper, just the traditional way.
Mhm.